start. Why do you think he was aware of the likely failure of the firm? Second line. I thank you for the tube of color which I think should be alright. Third line. They deny they were at the tower at the time of the fire. Fourth line. I think you owe the head an apology for the way you hurried away on Monday. Fifth line. If he were aware of the date, he would, I think, have come with us. Sixth line. Kenneth Doyle, whose view all of us share, wrote to say he would arrive at 5. Seventh line. I think too much time was given to the topic. What do you think? Full stop.